So you got all kinds of stuff here. Artists. I'm the only foreigner that I've seen. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, this is pretty cool. So this is the bridge over there. You got skyline over there. You got ferries over there. And right here you have all this kind of beautiful, cool stuff. So let's go take a look and see what it's all about. Yeah, this is one of the things I wanted to see. This is perfect. But yeah, this is kind of up in the mountains too. Everything is in the mountains in this city. Let's go take a look. Okay. It says exit. I don't know why it says exit, but we'll go down it anyways. Looks like people can go up in these things. There's cool stuff like that. Shops, restaurants. Sculpture, okay. Wow. Pretty big tourist site. It's hard to say what all this stuff is. E-voucher, Chinese ID line, fast pass, I don't know. But there's more than enough to explore. Anyways. Lots of shops. Sculptures. So let's just kind of see. So let's see. Okay. These are some of the shops. Spicy foods. Okay, so just kind of explore. Maybe I'll turn off the camera for a while, but you can kind of get to see a little bit of what this is all about right here. It's really amazing. Got some more good food. That looks really good too. Looks really good. You got this waterfront here too. Looks pretty cool right there. Okay, so now this place is getting pretty busy. So now you can see, I don't know where all the people came from, but now there's people everywhere. And you have all that all the way up there. So yeah, pretty cool. So yep. So you got all kinds of stuff here. Artists. I'm the only foreigner that I've seen. I think I saw one Indian guy serving food. There's an Indian kebab place down the street, just behind me a little bit. But I'm the only foreigner I've seen those 2 days I've been here. But I guess China tourism, there's a lot of Chinese that come here from all over the country to visit. Okay, more of Chongqing, all kinds of cool stuff everywhere up here. Layers and layers, and way up there you have the skyscrapers, you have the craft street, you have everything around here, and the river. So right now we're 4 floors up, and we're still and we're kind of at another layer. So this is kind of what I feel like Chongqing is about, anyways. Is you know, people are kind of on layers. There's so 4 layers down. There's the same kind of street like this, but this is 4 stories up. I mean, but all this is kind of layered through the mountain top, through the mountainside like that. So we'll probably have another layer of it above, and it can still be outside because it's you know, it's the way that it's set up like that. So this is kind of cool too. So okay, we're just gonna keep walking and kind of checking stuff out. So pretty interesting, all kinds of food. Okay. So you can still see like layers of people up in the other layers too, so. Okay, all kinds of cool stuff. So this is okay. Got a museum here, it looks like. A lot of food everywhere in this city. We got a bridge behind us. We're gonna just walk over there, take a look. So, okay, so we got the ducks right here. We got a beautiful bridge right here. And we got this down below. That's the street we were on earlier. It's right down there. Looks like it goes under the bridge. But yeah, we went all the way down there. And I think they have the layers of them up there. So there's another layer up there. Really going up as well. And those are the boats. And then over there is the other side of the river. All right, layers and layers of cool stuff everywhere. Very big tourist attraction right here. So we're gonna walk up this way. I don't know what this is. A bunch of people in a cave. The dog. Stuff. Okay, Chongqing.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.